Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Wawa credit card. Now, I really like the Wawa credit card because that first month when you apply for this credit card, you guys are going to get 50 cents off per gallon. So you guys are going to save a lot of money by having this credit card. And after that month, you still going to get that 5 cent off per gallon. So that's really good for those people that shop at Wawa and like to get gas at Wawa. You guys can actually get a great discount. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, I suggest you guys have at least a 534 credit score, and not only have a 534 credit score, understand that they could pull from Equifax or Experian. So make sure those two credit reports, make sure those are actually good, and that's the where you're looking to see if you have at least that 634. And I say 634 because somebody said that they got approved with that 634 credit score. Now, I want to talk to you guys about other credit cards other than just the Wawa credit card. If you want to get a credit card that have rewards for buying gas, and even if you guys have like a low credit score, I want to talk to you guys about options on credit cards you can get that could possibly go ahead and graduate to a regular credit card, and you guys can keep those same gas rewards if your credit score is just that low. Now, one other thing I want to say about the Wawa credit card is that if you have a lot of inquiries, you'll be fine. Someone said that they had up to like 70 inquiries. So that's one thing that you guys can think about. They had a lot of inquiries, so don't worry about that. Just make sure you don't have a lot of negative accounts and have at least a 634 credit score. And also, if you get approved for your credit limit, if you get approved for a credit card, someone said that this was their experience. They got approved for $800. Well, they got approved. They got approved for $800. They asked for a credit limit increase after it was activated. They bumped it to $1,000. So that means you apply, you ask for an increase right away. They had $1,000, and then 6 months after the statement cut request, they requested a credit limit increase again, and then they got granted $2,000. So the person really typically put about $300 per month in transactions through here. So keep that in mind. And $300 per month means that that's how much they charge on the card. So definitely keep asking for a credit limit increase on his credit card. And if you want to get another gas card, let me go over those credit cards for you guys now. So if your credit score is really low, I really suggest that you guys do the Discover Is Secure. Now, the reason why I tell you guys to do the Discover Is Secure is because it's going to graduate to a higher limit credit card, and also it's going to become unsecured. So you guys are going to get 2% back at gas stations and restaurants. So not just gas stations, but restaurants also, for up to $1,000 per quarter. So that's really good. And you guys are going to get 1% back on all other purchases. So, and when it come down to the secure credit card, you don't have to put down like $500 down. You guys can put down as little as $200. And in about, I say about 8 months, it should graduate to an unsecured credit card. Now, when you want to apply for this credit card, see if you can actually get pre-approved for it. And that way you don't have to worry about getting a hard inquiry. So go ahead and click check now, and they'll let you know exactly what they can pre-approve you for. Now, not only do their secure credit card have the cashback rewards for the gas, they also have other credit cards that you guys can apply for that have the cashback too. So see what they can actually pre-approve you for and go with that credit card. Another credit card for people that got bad credit, you guys want to look into getting the Credit One Bank card. Now, I tell people to get the Credit One Bank card is because if you had like a bankruptcy, usually, like I seen other people a month after a bankruptcy for Chapter 13, they approved them for this credit card. Approved a few people, so I always suggest that people try to get this credit card, and they can actually pre-qualify you for the credit card without that hard inquiry. And they're going to offer the 1% cash back, so you guys can actually just use that on. You can get 1% cash back on anything, so you guys can actually just purchase it. You can purchase gas with it. So I definitely suggest, if you guys can't get approved for just a Wawa credit card, definitely go and try to get that Discover credit card, because they have regular credit cards and they have the secure credit cards. And then you guys can definitely try that Credit One Bank. And both of these credit cards is without a hard inquiry. So I just wanted to show you guys that, because you don't have to get a hard inquiry. You can try to get these 2 credit cards, and you guys will go ahead and get that cash back when you purchase gas. So these are just the credit cards I wanted to talk to you guys about. It's just a few extra credit cards outside of just the Wawa credit card. Again, make sure that you have a minimum 634 credit score. Make sure you don't have any late payments, recent late payments at least. Make sure you have most of your negative accounts removed from your credit reports. It is Citibank. So with Citibank, they're going to be a little more strict. So you want to make sure that you have everything up to par. And with your first month, you're going to have 50 cents per gallon. You're going to save that for your first month. And then after that, you're going to be at 5 cents per gallon, which is really good for those people that we all have to purchase gas anyway, right? Unless you have a Tesla. But definitely go ahead and check out these credit cards. If you want me to review a credit card for you, make sure you go ahead and put it down in the comments, and I'll make sure I review it for you. If you have any questions, drop it down there also, and I'll make you a video, or I'll just simply respond. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.